Hello friends, in today's lecture I am going to start the third topic in mathematics paper 1, that is a trigonometric function. Let's study in trigonometric function, that is the trigonometric equation, solution of trigonometric equation, and there are the two types of trigonometric solution, that is the principal solution and the general solution. From these two solutions, in today's lecture, firstly we will see what is meant by the principal solution. Before that, I am going to start the trigonometric equation. Student, we have already seen different type of trigonometric functions, that is the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta. There are the 6 trigonometric function. From these 6 trigonometric function, if the equation containing any one function, then that equation is called the trigonometric equation. So, the definition of the trigonometric equation is an equation involving trigonometric function or functions, then that equation is called the trigonometric equation. For example, if I consider the equation like 2 sin theta is equal to 1, or sometimes if I consider root 3 cos 4 theta is equal to minus 1 or is equal to 1, then such a type of trigonometric, such a equations containing trigonometric function, that equations are called the trigonometric equation. Now, there are some examples. Cos theta is equal to half, sec theta is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 3 theta is equal to sin 5 theta. Such a functions are called the trigonometric functions. Now next definition is the solution of trigonometric equation. आता तुम्ही ऑलरेडी सोल्युशनशी कनेक्टेड आहात, कारण की आपण आतापर्यंत क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, अल्जेब्राइक इक्वेशन्स ह्या इक्वेशन्स सॉल्व केलेत आणि त्याचं जे सोल्युशन आहे ते सोल्युशन कसं फाइंड आउट केले बाय सॉल्विंग सच इक्वेशन्स. इथे सुद्धा तुम्हाला तेच करायचं आहे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन्स सॉल्व करायचे आहेत आणि सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट करायचे. म्हणजे सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय, इन शॉर्ट की अशी व्हॅल्यू जे दिलेली ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन काय करणार आहे, सॅटिस्फाय करणार आहे. सो आय एम डिफाइनिंग the solution of trigonometric equation, that is a value of variable in a trigonometric equation which satisfy the given trigonometric equation, and such a value is called the solution of trigonometric equation. Now there are the two types of trigonometric equation. Before that, this is the one example, tan theta is equal to 1. The solution of this trigonometric equation is that theta is equal to pi by 4. The theta is equal to pi by 4, this is not only one solution. There are the so many solutions for any trigonometric equation. So, for finding such an equation, we see the different type of solution. First one is the principal solution and the second one is the general solution. Now, principal solution. Before, after finding the solution, we see that there are the so many solutions for any trigonometric equation. And if the solution of trigonometric equation lies in between 0 to 2 pi, then such solutions are called the principal solution of the trigonometric equation. म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या की प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन साठी कंडिशन आहे आणि ती कंडिशन काय असणार आहे, सोल्युशन always lies in between 0 to pi. Okay. Now there are some examples. In equation tan theta is equal to 1, pi by 4 and pi by 4, 9 pi by 4 are all the solutions. But only pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 lies in between 0 to 2 pi, and since 9 pi by 4 is greater than 2 pi, so for if I consider only the principal solution, then only pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 are lies in between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, these two solutions are called the principal solution for the given trigonometric equation tan theta is equal to 1. Now, I am solving some examples. Okay, for finding the solution of the sin theta is equal to 1, I am giving one trick for you. Before finding the solution, let's look this diagram. Okay, this is a x-axis, this is y-axis, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. We already know that all the trigonometric function in the first quadrant are always positive. So I am here taking A. Then only sine and cosec are positive in the second quadrant. Tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant, and cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. So firstly remind all these things. Then now this is the simple trick. If I want to find the angle in the first quadrant, then take simple angle any one which is lies in between 0 to pi by 2. Okay. If we want to find the angle in the second quadrant, then use pi minus theta. And if I want the angle in the third quadrant, then I am using here the pi plus theta. For finding the angle in the fourth quadrant, I am using the 2 pi minus theta. आता हे जे मी सांगते ते कसं यूज करायचं आहे त्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण बघू. लेट्स सी द प्रॉब्लेम, सोल्युशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लेम. Firstly, find out the any simple solution which is lies in between 0 to 2 pi. Since for the equation sin theta is equal to half, we know that for theta is equal to pi by 6, sin theta is equal to half. Okay, that means pi by 6 is the principal solution which is lies in between 0 to 2 pi. आता जर तुम्ही अलाइड अँगलचा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला तर फक्त पाय बाय 6 हे सोल्युशन असेलच असं नाही. अलाइड अँगलनुसार अजून तुम्ही सोल्युशन्स तिथे फाइंड आउट करू शकता. मग आता फर्स्टली सी साइन इज पॉझिटिव्ह इन विच क्वाड्रंट. दॅट मीन्स साइन इज पॉझिटिव्ह इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट अँड इन सेकंड क्वाड्रंट. आणि मगाशी जे मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की साइन थीटा कोणत्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये पाहिजे त्यानुसार किंवा अँगल कोणत्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये पाहिजे त्यानुसार तुम्ही हे अँगल्स यूज करणार आहात. म्हणजे आपल्याला अलाइड अँगलचे सगळे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवायची गरज नाही. आता इथे जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर आपल्याला साइन हा सेकंड क्वाड्रंटमधला यूज करायचे. याचा अर्थ सेकंड क्वाड्रंटमधला जर अँगल तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर तुम्ही काय करणार आहात, पाय मायनस थीटा यूज करणार आहे. काय करणार आहात, पाय मायनस थीटा. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग sin theta we also use the sin pi minus theta. That means sin pi minus theta and sin theta having same values. Okay, आता इथे थीटा तुम्ही फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट मधला ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट केला, दॅट इज द पाय बाय 6. त्यामुळे आता आपल्याला नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू काय मिळणार आहे, साइन पाय मायनस पाय बाय 6 विच इज इक्वल टू 5 पाय बाय 6. and since 5 pi by 6 is lies in between 0 to 2 pi. So there are the two solutions for the sin theta is equal to half, that is the pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. That two solutions are the principal solution as these two are lies in between 0 to 2 pi. या पद्धतीने तुम्ही सगळ्या ह्याचे फाइंड आउट करू शकता. मला तो बोर्ड यूज करायची कुठं नाही सेटिंग